It used to be that with dental implants, we would place the implant and it would need to heal for months, usually 3 to 6 months with no restoration on top of it. And then you would have to come back and we would restore on top of that dental implant after that waiting period. These days with mini dental implants, it's much quicker. We don't have that kind of wait time to place restorations on top of an implant when doing many dental implants. It can be a single visit to get the implant placed and the restoration on top of it, which is very different from years ago.